going on, everybody? Messing around with this Dodge today. I'm be putting carpet in it, and found some papers in here. I thought it was pretty cool. Found a paper in the truck, and on the back it's got gooseneck trailer written in cursive, and it's registration for where somebody, I guess, had one from August 7th, 1995. From Gonzales, Louisiana. That's pretty cool right there. It's all stuck together in this little black booklet in the glove box. I've had this truck for a couple of years and I ain't ever bothered taking it out or anything. That's cool right there though. I wonder if that's the original owner of this truck. Guess I'll just keep that up with it though. Part of it. Yeah, this truck was originally, from what the last guy bought it from, told me. He said this truck was a repo truck way back in the day, out somewhere in Louisiana. And I bought it from a tugboat captain. Pretty cool guy. And I've had it for a few years and just tinkered with it and hauled junk around with it. 'Cause I want to try and fix it up and make it a nicer truck anyways. So I'm gonna try to put some carpet sound deadening in it, so it ain't a tin can anymore. Got the AC fixed and windows tinted and other little stuff like that. See if I can get this daggum seat up out of here. Alright, well, seat comes out, and yeah, one thing I get proud of is the bottom of this truck. I guess I had some orange brown carpet. Bottom of this truck's pretty good shape. It's solid. I guess that's all those old get trays leaking oil everywhere. You look under this rubber mat, it looks like it threw out a drive shaft one time, and got a little bit of surface rust. I can scrape that and paint all that stuff. This is kind of funky smelling right here. Ooh. Probably keep that mat. Yeah, let me see about getting all this crap off here now. Maybe just pull this whole thing out and throw it away. Yeah, this is all kind of funky smelling right here. I think this back glass leaked a little bit too. Oh yeah, it's nice and sticky. Yeah, that's all slimy and gross. I wish I hadn't touched that. Yeah, I'm gonna see how much I can get up of this, and I'm gonna put some more Pour 15 on this. It looks good on that side over here. It's just this side. I think it's from that the side and back glasses leaks. So that little clip, it broke off, and there's just always been that tape covering up the metal right there. I definitely need to do something about that and seal it up. $4.15. Cute little cans. They was cheaper, so I got it. Cheaper than a gallon. I probably needed a gallon. if I can get it open. I don't think they want me to use it. Guess it's a one-time use. Can you use what's in there? Probably will. Good night. Well, that can ain't getting closed back up. So, got all this cleaned up now and use my teeny tiny can of 415 on here, and I got a brush that's 2 times too big for this can. Oh yes, yeah, that's gonna look great. At least the sun won't be seen. Balling on a budget, that's what we do. The way I do it. I don't know how you do it. All we're trying to do is seal it to rust anyways. I'm glad I didn't peel this off and find a whole bunch of holes in the floor. That's the good thing about trucks from the south though. They rust from the top up, or from the top down. Trucks from up north, they rust from the bottom up. This truck overall, it's got a good cab on it, so makes me happy. I bought a Cummins motor and the truck came free. That's the way I look at it. She ain't no show truck, she's a go truck. Better put this back so I don't lose it. God! So this is a sound deadener I'm using. This is Silas. It's got a grizzly bear on it. And I put some on here when I first got it. And it's got a little crease here, but it's like 4 millimeters thick. And it's got a really strong adhesive to it. Cab's kind of bent in over there, or something hit it one time. But I guess most importantly is to cover this side where the exhaust is at and this transmission hump, and see what I can do over there across the firewall. Hope I got enough, at least just to rough it out anyways. I guess I'd come back later if I run out and flip off the carpet. Probably could have did a better job, but conforms to the floor pretty easy. Just kind of filling in the blanks. So, I know it ain't good looking, but most part, yeah, it's all kind of sectioned up because the floor is uneven. Didn't want a bunch of air pockets. But just kind of cut it and smooth it out by hand. The carpet's going over it anyways. Real sticky on the backside. Stuff cuts pretty easy with a little razor blade or something. Now I say it probably won't cut no more. Yeah, you can see the quality of this. This is about like a rug that you'd see outside Waffle House or a Cracker Barrel or something. Probably could have just done that. Trying to weight it down so I can keep it still while I situate it. But I'm gonna put this down, see if I can anchor it. I'm gonna glue it down, and then for some reason if I have to take it back up in the future and be just ripping all this glue out, fighting with it. I don't know. See what I can do. This is the original shifter boot on the bottom. You can see it's all ripped up and dry rotted. This little thing I bought, this was too small for my hole in the floor, so I just drilled it and screwed it to the top of this. You know, I'll just make it work. Don't look too bad as long as you don't, you know, like I said earlier, building a go truck, not a show truck. So got it stretched out a little bit more. I know I got a few little creases. I think I should have got some double-sided 3N tape maybe to put under the bottom to hold it down some more. And I need to get these new little pieces here because this one was kind of crappy looking. And all these little screw heads were stripped out or wore out. But I kind of got tucked under this panel here. Got my shifter boot on. I put that in kind of hold it in place while I worked it around. I'm gonna put that last little piece I got over there and put my seat back in and see how it looks. So I gotta put my seat back in and make my holes. I've heard about people using like an old screwdriver or you know, heating one up and then just kind of pushing it through and it'll kind of cauterize these edges. I don't really want to do that because I don't want this cheap carpet to just flash up and burn my whole truck to the ground. I ain't never done this before, so I might just make a little cut, like something like that, and then put my seat back in. It should just find the holes and boom, pop through. So I'm gonna see if I can get that seat and put it back in there by myself. I might have to get some help. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. That's a lot better with a seat now. Yeah, I'll have to get me a little piece that goes across there. Dang, that kind of crunched my carpet up. But I'll have to work on this. Keep some of this straightened out, but I'm happy with it for what it is. That'll do it.